Buen dia, I'm Sierra LaFay and welcome to another week in my hair and life. Today I'm going to actually help out my former boss for a little bit. So I just got dressed for that. Last night I wrapped my hair and I did my hair yesterday, like washed and blow dried it and stuff. My scalp was really itchy and I couldn't take it anymore. I also did a steam treatment last night so I can see some of this added shine it's giving my hair, which I think you can do a steam treatment once every 2 weeks, maybe once a month, but I'm going to be consistent with that because I always love the results that I get with my hair from it. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear my hair down for today. I'll see you guys later. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, so I'm actually on my way back to help my boss a little bit, and then I have a callback from a casting that I did like 2 weeks ago. So they're thinking about using me as a fit model, so fingers crossed. But yeah, let me put on my coat and my shoes and let's head over to work and then the casting. All right, so it is 7:58. I'm actually about to make some TikToks. I have to do it for a company and it's due tomorrow. They just gave it to me like Saturday, so of course I waited to the day before, not realizing that it was due tomorrow. But I'm so tired. I'm gonna work on that. The casting went really good. I think that I may have gotten it, and hopefully I did because it pays a nice chunk of change, so we'll see. I'm gonna try to get through these TikToks as best as I can. I really still don't know much about TikTok, but I'm trying to learn. So I will get back on here once it's time for me to prepare my hair for bed. All right, it's 11 o'clock and I just finished and I am ready to knock out. So let's go wrap up my hair so I can go take a shower and go to sleep. I'm too lazy to set up my tripod because I've been setting it up, unsetting it up, setting it up for the past few hours. So I just have it laying on my sink pretty much. And I make sure not to put any clips in the back because it feels uncomfortable when I sleep, so I always make sure to try to keep them in the front or to the side of my hair. I low-key should just try to take the clips out because it left dents in my hair the other day. I don't think I want that, so let me try that tonight. I also ordered a clip, a lime green hair clamp. So I'm really excited because it's just a way for me not to wear buns and just have the hair off of my clothing and stuff. So I probably am going to be wearing the clamp the rest of the year long and just get different colors and patterns and just do my little 2 pieces in the front. But I'm really excited. That clip should be here this week, so I'll show you guys and probably style my hair with it. Let me take a shower and go to sleep. I do have to work again in the morning, so I will see you guys bright and early. Morning, today is Wednesday and I'm on my way back to work. I was trying to turn off my alarm, my like bonnet and scarf fell off, but it stayed on like all night. Let's see what we're dealing with. Alright, this is what I did, super quick. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Got some water boiling now for tea. And I'm gonna get some bread to make some banana peanut butter toast. I want to do green tea today just to kind of help me and my digestives get going, but I really like the taste of the turmeric and lemon. Let me get my chlorophyll first. I'm still taking this twice a day. Got some fabric in the mail today that I'm getting a coat made. The inside is white and the outside is a black suede. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see once this coat is made, it's gonna be amazing. Morning, today is Thursday and I'm headed to the fabric store again to get the rest of my leathers that I'm making bags with. So I'm excited for that. And afterwards I'm gonna go to work. And after that, I need to clean up my place because it is a wreck. It's an absolute wreck for me trying to make the TikToks the other day. I'm going to spray a little bit of the Luster Instant Moisturizer Spray. As I did mention, does cause the hair to revert a little bit, but it still ends up leaving my hair really moisturized. So we're actually just gonna do this. Also, I booked the gig that I did the casting for earlier this week, so I'm very excited for that. It is a casting that, so basically I'm going to be a fit model for this brand, and it's going to happen over a span of 30 to 40 days. And each day the money isn't like spectacular, but it adds up to like a nice amount, so I'm really excited. And then I'm not sure like how the 30-40 days will work. I think it's like we'll do 1 week or 2 weeks at a time, take a few days off, and then continue. My edges are just like screaming save me, but my edges are also breaking off, which I noticed once I took out my last sew-in a few weeks ago, or like maybe a month or two ago. Oh, I'm using my Cantu Extra Hold Stay Gel. I'm pretty much out of it. Not my favorite hairstyle, but whatever. Let me get going because I have to leave like a little bit extra early today so I can make some fabric store and then go to work. Just got my leather. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys like in detail what I got in this video or if I'm going to do it on Instagram, but I'll figure it out. But my favorite is this green. Alright, so I left work early because my boss needs me to run a couple errands for her. And I'm on my way to go to UPS now to drop the package off. But today is the day her mom passed away, which I completely forgot about. So I'm gonna also go get her some chocolate covered strawberries from Edible Arrangements and then run them back to her. So after I run these errands, I'm going home, I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'm gonna clean up and try to get some stuff done. Today is Friday and I'm on my way to work. I literally slept in my bonnet, didn't wrap my hair up or anything, and my edges are just giving me such the flux today, so I gotta figure them out. But I'm trying to decide later today for free delivery Fridays at Cold Stone. And today's the last Friday, so I don't need it. I have shoots coming up on February 28th and March 1st. But I think I'm gonna do it anyway, my last whatever, and then I'm gonna be serious again about my diet because I just did not take it seriously this month at all. Anyway, let's try to figure out this hair. Going to spray the Luster Instant Moisturizer Spray again. And you can see like my ends didn't revert from when I sprayed it yesterday. I am gonna spray some of my edges. This isn't the first time I've had an issue with my edges, just like they've broken off a lot. And I noticed it actually when I took out my last sew-in. But what I'll usually do is just cut myself bangs and it grows back pretty fast. But because I am modeling, I can't just cut bangs because I am being portrayed with a certain look, and a lot of clients actually aren't a fan of bangs, so I gotta figure it out. Today I'm gonna take my Got To Be edge controller. I know this isn't helping my problem, but so my edges stay down. I'm gonna put a little oil at the end. I was looking for my Luster oil just to do something different, but I can't find it, so I am gonna use the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Hair Growth Serum. And then I'll mix a little bit of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil with that as well. I'm literally just gonna take a very little bit. 4 drops of the Camille, and we're gonna do 1 drop of the castor oil. Alright, so got the little bun today. I need to figure out something to eat. I have no food whatsoever, and I'm not trying to buy anything. Also, super side note, I found this YouTube channel, it's a podcast called David Never Sleeps. Let me know if you heard of it, but it's basically he interviews black entrepreneurs, and this episode I'm watching is called Wearing Your Wealth Isn't Always Bad. It's a very interesting episode, so if you're into like fashion and stuff and entrepreneurship, I would recommend like this episode in particular. Alright, so today is Saturday. I look a mess, working on some editing now, and then I have a lot of work to do in regards to, I actually officially started a corporation last year, and this year I am going to launch an online website, so I need to work on things for that. But I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if you're interested in my fashion, lifestyle, and what I'm about to do with my business, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y hasta el próximo video. Ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.